Bit of a change this time from the Mini. We're back on the old Disco with the weather how it has been recently. It's a little bit warm and the air conditioning isn't very good on this. It blows cold-ish, slightly, but it doesn't blow enough to kind of cool the car down enough so you feel comfortable. So you have to drive around with the windows open a little bit. Kids get sweaty, complaining. So instead of taking it for a full-on refill, because I believe it works, just not very well, I bought a little refill can and this little tube. So the idea being is that plugs onto the low pressure side, this end goes onto the can, screws on, and then you use this little tap to pierce it, and you've got a gauge to make sure that you've got the correct amount in there, because obviously not enough gas won't allow the aircon to work, but too much is dangerous. So the heat in this is also does a few funny things, which I've seen quite a few posts online saying that topping up the air conditioning can actually fix a whole world of problems. So we'll give this a go. All this kit you can get on eBay or Amazon easily enough, or on this website. This came from, it does say on here somewhere, aircontop-up.com. So as per instructions, I'm giving it a good shake, and then the low pressure cap is, or the cap on the low pressure pipe is there. So we'll just put that to one side. In fact, I'll put that in my pocket because I need to start the car up in a second. It's quite simple. I'll just pull that back and it releases the little balls in there, so you should be able to clip it on like so. So let's have a look. At the moment it's reading that it's low, so before we put any of the refrigerant in there, obviously we've got air in here, so if we just, let's see if I can put my camera down, if we just turn this off slightly, or twist this off slightly, so a little bit of gas comes out, you've then purged this pipe, so it's just got refrigerant in there, there's no oxygen, but you can clearly see it says it's low. So the idea is when you put this can on, you then screw this in, which has got a point to it, which then pierces the tap. So I think if we start the car up, and then we should be able to pierce the bottle, unscrew that to then let the gas go out, turn this upside down so we get everything, and then we'll keep an eye and see what the dial does. So you can see we're running. So we'll twist this as best I can one-handed. There we go, and we feel it's just suddenly gone a bit softer, so like that's all the way in, and now if we do it out, that's how the aircon begins, so good. Is you've got the pressure coming from the can going to the gauge rather than it reading it from the car, so it sounds like the can is empty now. You can clearly see it's now reading full. You could hear the can a second ago make a couple of noises, so I'm happy with that. So let's pull that off. Nice little bit coming out the can. Put the cap on. Go inside and see if that's made a difference. Oh, I can already feel that's so much cooler than what it was before. That's brilliant. So that's the result. And I think this whole thing was, I don't know, about 35-40 quid. So it's worked, which is a right bonus. You can clearly see there wasn't enough gas in it, and now it's working a lot better. Just a quick video on the Disco. So thanks for watching. I hope somebody has learnt something and saved themselves a few quid by getting one of these rather than paying, I don't know what, recon. proper recon costs, but probably more than what that costs. And then once you've got the pipe, all you need is the can, which is, I think the can is, off the top of my head, is about 20 quid, so cheaper in the long run when you do want to top it up. So thanks again for watching.